Welcome to another episode of our dietitian review. My name is Fechi. Today we'll be looking at a controversial nutrient. Okay, it's one mineral that is so controversial. A lot has not been discovered of it, but some vital things have been discovered about this nutrient. And this nutrient is chromium. Chromium is one nutrient that is required by the body in little amount, okay, but it does a few functions, vital functions for the body. What are the sources of chromium? There are quite a lot of sources of chromium, and it ranges from broccoli, liver, brewer's yeast, turkey breast, tomatoes, potatoes, green beans, red wine, grape juice, whole wheat flour, orange juice, beef, tomato juice, apples, and then of course supplements. Okay, so what are the functions of chromium? Now, chromium is very essential in the regulation of blood sugar. Chromium also helps the brain functioning. Chromium also helps in the metabolism of carbohydrates and fat. It has not been discovered, what happens in deficiency of chromium or the toxicity of chromium so far. So we just end it at this point. But I saw where they said that the recommended daily allowance for chromium is 35 microgram for men and 25 microgram for females. Although this is debatable, but one thing you must know is that chromium is an essential mineral that helps some functions in the body. Okay, these functions are very essential for our daily lives. Okay, so this is where we draw the curtain on dietitian review today, and I know you've gotten value. Okay, I'd like you to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be able to know when we release our subsequent videos. Okay, until I come your way next time, I remain your dietitian, Fechi, and see you next time.